These are your sister gifts. The ones that you two are opening are from Sarah. Go ahead and open them. Alright, open your boxes on 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's an apron! You made me an apron!
She made you an apron.
Rebecca. Actually, I don't need to wear this right now.
You can put it on right now. It's okay.
No.
Madeline, go ahead and try it on, please.
Mommy, I think she likes it.
Hey, Madeline, what is the best thing about any girl clothing?
I'm a scary driver. Pockets. Comfy. I like it.
If your box isn't ripped, don't put it in the trash. Well, just put it in there. I'll get it later.
You can size out the neck.
Yeah, she wanted the neck not one loop so that you could tie it and resize it as you wanted to. Like Madeline just said, these are the ones from her.
Okay.
Hold on, Sarah. All right, Rebecca, reach in and grab them. So the little ones are for your... No. Well, look at what the big ones are. Get your big one out.
Oh, Madeline. Sarah, you're missing one. There's one more. That one was a pain to do. These are for adults.
Yeah. The little ones are for your dolls, and the big ones are for...
Us. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? That's Daddy.
Rebecca's just gonna go to sleep.
Here. I love fake just like my favorite. Skin. We were gonna sew over them, but the sewing would go through both layers and it would be scratching in your eyes. So we decided not to do that. These are so comfortable.
Girls, what do you say to Madeline?
Thank you, Mom. Okay. Those are from me.
Okay.
This is fine.
1, 2, 3. Do not open your boxes until you both have them unwrapped.
Okay. Can we open?
Can you open the boxes?
Uh-huh. I can.
Slowly. Pull them out.
You made us blankets.
No, they're not blankets.
No, not blankets.
Move the boxes.
Open them up.
Lay it flat on your lap.
Try again.
Lay it flat on your lap.
Try.
No, Madeline.
Sleeping bags.
Like that.
For your doll.
They are fitted exactly to fit at least the American Girl dolls, but the Bitty Babies, Bitty Twins, and Willy Wishers will also fit in there.
That's why you didn't let me do this craft. She was gonna do it.
It's also why I didn't let Sarah do this craft, because Rebecca had already done it. Daddy and I were really, really happy with you all that you were sweet enough to do sister gifts for each other. So we wanted to do something special for you.
I'm trying to get the tails.
But yeah, we were so happy with you girls being so sweet and making each other presents. So we wanted to do something special for you.
I have an apron too. Oh, you gave me my.
I'm glad I picked those.
2 blessing babies.
So Rebecca, what did you get?
I get a matching apron too.
Surprise! I made you all what you made your sisters. That is not how this works. That is not how that works at all.
You get a matching apron just like my sisters.
Uh-huh.
How did you?
So on the aprons later, if we want, we can embroider like your names somewhere on them so that you can don't get them confused, like throwing them on top of your sister's apron right now. But do you like your surprise?
Yes!
Thank you girls for being so sweet and making your sister gifts for each other. I forgot we have one more surprise for y'all. Open.
You made us pillows!
So yours is smaller, Sarah, because the first sleeping bag we did was yours. These squares are made from the scraps of the sleeping bag. We had messed up on yours and did extra fabric on there that shouldn't have been there, but we cut the extra fabric off of theirs. So your pillow is smaller, but all of those scraps are from the sleeping bags. And we had a bunch of scrap left over, and Dad said, why don't we make pillows for the girls to use for their dolls to go with their sleeping bags? So now you have pillows and sleeping bags to travel with the dolls.
That match.
That match to non-camping events. Because you don't take American Girls to wet camp. Honey. Do that again. I mean, she looks asleep.